So we are just leaving Chernobyl right now. Las Vegas. We're heading back to Phoenix, and I was just thinking, on the way back to Phoenix, there's a small little abandoned rest stop known as Nothing, Arizona, because there's nothing much there anymore. The place was called Allmart, and I don't know a whole lot about this place other than it's just an abandoned rest stop that used to be happening back in the day. But it's on the way, so we're going to stop in there in a little bit and check it out and get some footage and do a quick walkthrough if we can. So stay tuned. And before we begin here, just a friendly reminder, don't be afraid to subscribe if you like what you see, and more importantly, don't be afraid to go Conor McGregor on that like button for more amazing content. As always, enjoy. Nothing, Arizona. It used to say Allmart back in the day. Cell tower, Nothing, Arizona. Take a quick peek in here. It's actually kind of cool. We're gonna go in and take a quick peek. Not much in here. We're gonna blur that out. Yeah, I guess back in the day they sold food, beverages, souvenirs, Indian jewelry, things like that. It's pretty cool. I'm surprised this is actually still intact. Let's take a quick peek over here. I don't like being here because it is private property, but one quick peek ain't gonna hurt. So I guess this place was officially established in the late 1970s and then was officially declared abandoned in 2005, and it's just been sitting here ever since. Looks pretty cool though. Could you just imagine coming in here, coming in right there, and then going over there to pay for like your food and drinks? This is cool. I'm not going to point the camera up because, well, if you can guess. Cool. Kind of stinks here. Creepy bird on top of the abandoned sign. Classic. I just saw this. I figured we'd come take a look at it. Lots of garbage out here. These people have no respect for nature, but then again, I'm no better because I'm not picking it up. A chair in the middle of nowhere. Chair in the middle of nowhere. Nothing, Arizona. Some rocks. I would love to know the story on how that got there. Probably a little shed back there where they kept tools and whatnot. These big piles of dirt were not here last time I was here. Don't know what they're there for. It's crazy to think that back in the day this place was thriving. Tourists, cars, trucks. coming in, getting their soda, their drinks, their food. From what I read on the internet, this is like a very popular stop for people that were going from Phoenix to Las Vegas, going back and forth. And that's all that remains of Nothing, Arizona. It's actually kind of cool.